friend. There are three types of clock. One always we have a wall clock. You know, we can hang on our wall anywhere if you like, on top of our TV. But we decided to keep on top of our TV. Okay, we hanged it. Okay. So and one is, do you know, we wear here, this is a watch. We can see time in that also. We wear in our hand here, okay? And what we wear in our hand is called wristwatch. Okay? So, okay friends, what is this watch? What is this watch? Is it going like this? Or this? Or just without this? Tell me, which clock is this?
May I tell?
Yeah, Mommy.
I know, this is wristwatch.
Good job!
Thank
This is a rainbow watch. Okay, so now I get the one more clock. Okay. Can you guess which one I want to tell you? Here, we could keep anywhere. Like, you can also keep it. It is a clock. Clock is a device in which we could see time.
Okay.
Okay. So now I think you know what is the meanings of clock and all of clocks. Okay. So now I think we should make it. Okay. So I'm taking this bowl and like put it here. So I'm going to just get my circle. Okay. Okay. So we met like this, like friends. Okay, friends. Now I made a circle. Now the thing is that I'm friends. So I got a scale. Now I have to keep this like this and divide it into 4 equal parts. Okay. So okay, 1 done. 2, 3 more to go. Means more to go. Okay, just I'm happy to make a clock like this. For my clock, I'm going to make 11 o'clock.
Besides,
Equal parts will divide it into 3 equal parts. Okay, 1. And if I'm using that step, I have to. Okay, so now I have to make it in whole. Okay, I made this. Okay, how does it look? Does it look good or bad?
good.
You tell, Mama.
Good. It is very good.
Okay. Actually, what I have to do, I made only a less number, 12, 1 and 2, 3 numbers. Okay. So now I think I should write 3. Am I right? 3, 4, 5, 6 is already there for me. Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, this is it. Okay, friends. So now how many needles are there? There are 3 needles. They are going to just make 2 needles. Okay, bigger and one is smaller. Okay,
Bigger.
needle takes minutes. Smaller needle takes. Okay, we have to align this. Out of scale. Okay. No. Okay. So I made 2 needle on 12.
Take.
Okay, this much. Maybe this much is okay, mommy. Now I met the timing. What is the time? It is 5 o'clock. If I want to make 12 o'clock, the smaller needle has to be in 12 o'clock and the bigger needle has to be in 12 o'clock.
Okay, very good. The bigger needle.
I should color this. Am I right? So I don't need my pencil box for ready, but we will use some stuff from that. But today I am going to use this. Okay. Too excited to use. Everything I have to keep it aside. Okay, now I think I should do this.
You can just.
4, 5. Okay. This color is green. Now which color is this? Now I need to color with a light color. Now I think I should use this, my big one.